Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial from my channel Mustafa Khan. In previous video we talked about how we can create preset for our video so we can prevent the repetition of the same process in our editing. So today we are going to learn another technique in Premiere Pro you maybe don't know about. Today I was editing a video and encountered an issue during editing, and after watching several videos I got the solution and I'm going to share in this video with you guys. So keep watching till the end and do support me if you found it useful. So now let's get to the Premiere and start how we can solve that problem. So here I have a clip of mine I recorded recently for my Instagram. As you can see that I have removed the background and it is green screen. So today we are going to remove the green screen, and after removing the green screen we will witness the issue in the video. So let's do it. At first click on effect panel and type in the search box Ultra key. It is used to remove the background containing green and blue color. So we apply the same effect on our clip, and then from effects control click on ink picker and click on whatever color you want to remove. So in this video I want to remove the green color. I click on the color and the background is removed, and here is the problem. As you can see that I have removed the background, but this white line around me is a kind of problem. If I apply or if I insert an image or a video in the background, this line will make it look very strange. So that's why we have to remove this extra white line. So for doing so, first we click on matte generation. Click on this drop down button, and then we are going to edit the shadow. Make shadow 0%. As you can see that the white line is weaker than before, but again we can see in this part. So for removing this part, we close this one, matte generation, and instead of that we click on matte cleanup drop down button. And from here, first option is chalk and second option is soften. We can remove the rest of extra line by manipulating these two sliders. Click on the mouse button and do not release the button, and then drag right. You can see that extra white line is removed. So this amount 65 is enough. Now we cannot see that extra line around me. Well, this is a little bit hard. The extra white line is removed, but the edges are a little bit hard. To make it soften, from here we can make it soft. Just press on the soften amount and drag towards right like this. This is so much, so we can keep it around maybe 30 is okay. Yeah, 29 or 30, this is okay. Now you can see that the white extra line around me is removed. So if I add any background, it does not give any strange look. So this is it for today, guys. If you have any question related to this or related to editing or Premiere, comment down. I will answer your comments and will try to make a full video about your questions. Thank you so much for your presence. See you in the next video.